Welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. Now, if you've seen the last video, I've been trying to change this thing. And so the original one, these bits didn't work. The only thing that worked was this. This is the radio control stalk in the Peugeot partner. Bought one, 25 quid, eBay, didn't work, same as the old one. This is another one off eBay. This was £9.99 with free postage. So this is third time lucky, hopefully. If this doesn't work, then I must have a proper investigate. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it's not meant to work. But it's the original head unit, so I'm not sure. So we'll give that a go. I'm also going to have a very quick go over the interior. We'll give this stuff a go to clean it. What is it? Demon clean. And then, when we've cleaned it, put some auto glim vinyl and rubber care over it. See what that does. Ah! Oh, look at that. That seems to work remarkably well. I'm amazed. Like this stuff, it's this auto glim polish reviver type stuff. Yeah, look at that. So that other stuff just strips the dirt off, and then this one polishes it up for that nice sort of wet look, I suppose you call it. But yeah, that's awesome. Two screws again. One. There's number two. We're old hands at this now, so this should take 2 minutes, hopefully. Now let me pop this off somewhere. That's that. Down you come. Now, we've got that clip in the back. We just need to hold that in. Get that moving, pull it out. £25 one. £9.99 one. Make sure that's set. And then we just need to help that through. That's there. Go. That's in. Right. Try again. So I think we'll start the whole thing up. Then I can put my wheel straight then. Nice, right. Wait for the radio to come on. DAB. Radio 4 again, shall we? So it's talking and not copyrighted. No, not Radio 2, thank you. Keep going. Right. Radio 4. So, does the volume work on this? Yes! Oh, yes, brilliant. Right, so that there. If you can see it, that there. Should do the volume. Fantastic. Which it does. And then that one. Oh, brilliant. Fantastic. Yeah, we got a win. Third time lucky. That's cool. So that cost us actually 35 quid altogether to fix that. So now we've got two of these things to throw away. And we got one that works at last. Fantastic. I'm just going to clean the doors up I'll turn you around now. They're looking a bit like they could do with a little bit of that demon stuff and a bit of a polish, and then that'll be the van ready for Monday. Yeah, so this door could do with a bit of a clean, and then that one could definitely do with some cleaning. I don't know what's been spilt down there. The kids have probably spilled something down it, so I'll do those and I'll show you those. Well, apart from all my tut there, that turned out really nice. Far better. It'll be a pleasure to drive around in this next week, especially with this thing working. That'd be fantastic. This turned out nice. Now, I even spent 5 minutes cleaning all these shuts up. Not a great job, but I only spent 5 minutes on it. And so I use that stuff on there as well. That came up really well. So that'll be for a next video. We'll go through all these shuts. It looks like at some point, if you can see that in the light, need some new rubber at some point. It's not letting any water in when it does rain. So that seems like the perfect combination. I'll put links to those down below. But until next time, I'll see you again. Cheers.